When we look at acoustical performance, we're starting to see not only multifamily projects moving back to the inner cities, but we're also seeing education now. And so when you do that, now you're putting more students, more people in downtown areas, but then you have the challenge of acoustics, outdoor trains and downtown area and all that noise that brings. We have a lot of different types of storefront and entrances and curtain wall and windows, and we do the STC and OITC testing on our framing systems. We try to come up with various glass makeups based on education, healthcare, multifamily, residential, whatever it may be. We try to encompass that in many of our different framing systems. So for acoustics, we incorporate all of our tested solutions on a white paper on Kawneer.com that will list the framing system, the OITC, STC performance, so it's an easier access for our customers and the architects to find the information based on the framing type. Please visit Kawneer.com to find this information on the white paper.